Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're at the new modeling school, where just a new fabulous model has joined the club. So let's go meet the girls. Come on. Right at the moment now, I can see they're having a photo shoot for the cramping manager.
Yes, I know. I am manager here. My greatest new asset are the best.
Why do you like modeling?
I love modeling because you can get very popular and you learn very much.
Oh, it's wonderful. I just want to be fucking great. It's wonderful.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Why are you doing modeling?
Because I love it. It's wonderful and
Gives you some fantasy and pleasure in life. Oh, above sitting in the house and doing nothing.
What do you think about the other girls?
I like all three of them. They are very nice.
Oh please, I don't like that. No, it's walk.
My nails!
Oopsie. It's a beautiful day. It's just a bad thing that you're in it.
Wonderful for my tennis career.
Let me see you just bounce, so with me just bounce, with me just bounce, with me, come on, let me see you just slide, with me just slide, with me just slide, come on, let me see you take a walk with me, just walk it with me, take a walk with me, come on, and make your neck work, now freeze.
So that's all from us over here at the new modeling school. See ya. Ciao.
Oh, I'm having so much fun.
Well, Barbie, we're just getting started.
Oh, I love you, Ken.